Oh, and when you start this, make sure your propane is off. Turn that off before you begin. Alright, ready? Alright, we're going to be changing the burners on a gas grill. We got 4 of these for this Jenn-Air one we have. They all work the same pretty much, whether it's Jenn-Air or Char-Broil or Coleman. Take the tops off later. Take these off. These sometimes need to be replaced. I don't replace these every time. Replace them once every 2 or 3 times. These things are just toast. And these right here just slide right out. There it is. Slides right out. You pull all these out. And I think I'm going to get rid of most of this stuff. If you get all the inside scraped out, you should be a pan. Some are in the front, some are in the back. This is in the front. Clean out pan. Just get that. I'm going to put some plastic down like we did so that we don't get it on the floors. This looks like it has something there too, does it? Oh, okay. Alright, after that's done, you get your burners and you put your burners in.
What am I doing?
Okay, now this hole right here goes into, if you look inside this hole right here, get the camera there, show it. Yeah, you'll see the little the pilot right there with a little hole in it. That pilot there is going to go into there. And this right here has the clip, which is going to go down here. That's cool, I guess. And that goes into this right here. A little hole. And then the clip is right here. We'll clip in and hold that secure. So we're going to put this one in first. So it'll work. This one the same way, just repeat. You're going to put these back. Just one little gap in between each one of them. And that should work. Let me start it up. Probably don't need your lighter anymore. Maybe you do. Okay, now I'm going to turn it back on. There it is.
There they are.
This burner's looking good. Higher, lower, perfect. I hope this helps. I got the parts here on Amazon. I just Googled my type of grill, and they were 3 of them for $35. I got to order another one because I thought I had a 3-burner. It's a 4-burner, so, but it was $35 for 3. So they usually pay between $30 and $40 for your new, for the new ones. So I hope this helped, and happy grilling.